Hopefully you can hear me. So today I soldered for the first time. So my whole idea was that this old CPU fan will be used in providing convenience to me while I type and my hands become sweaty. So this is an old power adapter of an old router which is lying over there. It was no longer being used. By the way, it is kind of same adapter which is used in my monitor. I could have saved it as a backup for my monitor, but sacrifice. As you can see, solder is pretty bad, but it works. And that's what we want. So this fan is going to suck in air from here, and it is going to blow out into this metal in all direction. In this aluminium, I think aluminium frame, all over direction, and that's how it holds CPU. I'm going to make, I think, a mount where it blows in only single direction. So that is for future, but I'm trying to make myself happy by doing these small projects, and soldering is one of the important things a techie should know. Not only hardware, but not only software. I mean, we should also know how to tinker with hardware. So yes, it worked. First, I was trying to make this fan move with 5-volt DC adapter, which we commonly can find in our homes when we charge our mobile phones. But later I researched on ChatGPT that this particular model only works with 12-volt power adapter. And let me show you one thing. These two blue and green wires, you can see, these are the tachometer wires. These two blue green wires are the tachometer wires. One sends the signal to the motherboard and one receives the signal from the motherboard about RPM and how is the fan speed, when to increase it. When our workload is high, CPU becomes hot, and then motherboard sends the signal to cool down the CPU. So it sends that signal through one of these wires. I don't remember which one is the in and which one is the out, but hopefully you get my point. It was a good experience. Thank you. I did not show you how it works. So here's the live example. I taped it around so it couldn't be damaged. This is the power adapter and the switch is already turned on. Let me remove my monitor's wire. You can see I'm plugging it in. And wow, it's spinning. Hear this noise. Fan is running. You can see. I turned off my room's fan so that you can hear the wonderful voice of Intel 4th generation fan. Here is it. It's blowing very nice here. Nice project. Thank you.